Hello and welcome. Today I've got something different. This is not a repair video. These are two Makita 6Ah batteries. But I have a confession to make. One of them is a complete knockoff. And I didn't spot it right away. First of all, I didn't notice any difference because there's a lot of similarities. They look both genuine Makita. They look both, I did notice that this one has an orangey coloured connector at the top. It's yellow, but it's still sort of an orangey yellow. This is sort of a more lighter yellow, if you can see that. I thought that was strange, but I didn't really take much pass on it because some people break these and take the board off and resolder in a new yellow connector that they buy online, so that could have been that. I thought it was that. Another thing that I noticed too, once you open these or go to open these, I use this here, there's usually a white tab down one of the screw holes. I use a wood screw to remove that. That's like a security tab that Makita have. There was none on this one. Again, I thought, yeah, somebody's had it open and they've replaced this, so I didn't pay any mind to that. It was really when I opened this, and opened these both, that I realised that something was rotten in Denmark. So I'm going to get the screws out and then I'm going to show you what I mean. The screws out of this one, with the orange sort of top on it, are these, and the screws out of that one are these. This one on the left has longer screws. They're still the same head, but it's a red flag as well. So we'll open the two of them to you see, and you'll see right away what I mean by the difference. If you look at the top, can you tell which is the knockoff now? That's the one with the orangey coloured yellow connector. Look at that little board. All that little board is doing is going from plus to minus, all the way around. And there's absolutely no cell balancers at all on. Nothing to maintain the status of the cells, nothing to monitor the status of the cells. It's just this little puddly basic board that used to be in a Makita battery years ago before they upped the technology. Also, them cells are more exposed. These are all encased. You have a nice big board. You have a better battery indicator. Looks like a more expensive thing. And you've got the cell balancers. And these are a very good board. This one's faulty actually, but these are a very good board because they monitor the status of the cells and they shut the battery down. This is likely to go on fire if a cell malfunctions. And because they use substandard cells in knockoffs, they're more likely to malfunction, to be honest. But to go a stage further, I have to take them out of the casing here. This is horrible, to be honest. That's a horrible knockoff. And we'll get the two of them out of the casing to see what the real difference is. You can see the two casings. This one's got these little ridges on it. This one hasn't. I'd love to run down the quality of this one, but it's alright. It's so similar. I know. But I have to run down the quality of this. You can see the good battery, the genuine battery. It's proper spot welding done. It's got encased on both sides. It's screwed together. It's got a more sophisticated looking board and battery indicator. This one has this thing. The bottom of the cells are not covered. There's just a bit of something stuck on. The quality of the spot welds are particularly bad. I wouldn't, in my DIY jobs, I wouldn't even do anything as bad as that. The strip they use is so much thinner and poor quality, and it could be potentially dangerous due to the way the board's set up. So in conclusion, how do you tell if you buy a Makita battery and it looks as good as this? And a lot of knockoff are on it like that. However, check if this looks right, this yellow connector, it looks an orangey colour, and if you turn the battery over, check down one of these screw holes, you'll see a white thing covering the screw. And if that's not on a new battery, something is wrong. So that's all I can tell you. I've just come up on this today and I had to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.